I close it because the water in the pipe is very heavy. As you know, the pipe size is 60 millimeters. You see, it's not difficult. Take water. How is the strong intake water? So just clean. Hello everyone. Okay, today I will show you how to make siphon alone. Just use the old PVC pipe. So I have 3 PVC pipe, the 60 millimeter pipe, and I just connect this pipe to the water, to the river, and I drop to another side. So just see how I do it by myself, just alone. So first, okay, I will use this one. I don't use the glue because I need the pipe when I stop using, so I don't use the glue at all. So what I have to do is connect this one. I just wash it because I have some sand, some soil. Okay. However, I just connect this one like this and just hit my hammer. Okay, it's firm, and I have another pipe here. Actually, it should be washed, should be wet with water, and I put like this. Okay, I just hit a little bit to get it firm. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I just wrap a little bit with this one. So but I have to, okay, so because I don't use the glue, so I need to wrap around here to make sure that the air is not leaking. And as you can see, I use a rubber. Oh, great. Okay, are you okay? Okay, so I grab another one at the angle here. Must be firm, no air leaking here. Okay, and just this side first. And have another plastic to wrap at the side. It seems very easy for everyone, even a lady can do this easily. Actually, you don't have to make the hole from this soil, so you just use the old PVC pipe with this angle. Okay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is just flood this water into this pipe. I just fill it in the pipe. So it's easy. You just push it into the water. And I have to go down as well. And before I go down, I will take some plastic to close it, because I need to close one side at least. I need to close one side to make sure I can get the water in this pipe. Okay. Oh, this river is a bit deep. Okay. So I make sure the water is fully filled into the water, and the water is full fill of this one. Okay, I got full fill of water. So we need to use the 6 plastic. I think the 6 side of plastic. So if it's too thin, it will broken. It will explode. So I have to use a quality one, and I close it because the water in the pipe is very heavy. As you know, the pipe size is 60 millimeter and very long, so it will strong press. So if you use the plastic is too thin, it will explode. Everyone, as you can see, I use the quality one, and what I have to do is just deliver this pipe to another side of the area here. So it's easy, it's not difficult for me. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So what I have to do is just come out to take another side. Wow, it's coming. It's easy. It's not difficult. Oh my God, it's very long. Hey, wait. Just open. 1, 2, 3, open. Wow. Open. Okay. Coming. Okay, coming. The water coming. Yes, it's full pipe. Okay, very great. The water coming, so my farm have the free water. Wow. Oh, a lot of sand because I flew into the rivers. I flew into the river, so the sand is too much. Okay, it's too much sand, so the water start clearer and clearer now. Okay. Wow. Oh, the water is clear now. Great. Woo. Very strong Siphon system. Wow, it is too easy to make siphon. Wow. So the right here have a free water now. Okay, great. So I will show you another side. Why I have a lot of sand? Because of the other side is fluid into the water. So wow. This one. What is this one? Hello everyone. Have you been see here? What is this kind of the animal? What is this kind of animal? I don't know as well. It's just coming. Okay. Water is very clear now, so I can wash myself because I got a lot of dirt. But make sure I just clear this animal away. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Okay, wash myself before I bring you to see the intake water. How is the strong intake water? So just clean. I hope everyone understand already about the Siphon system, but I just show you some trick that you can do it yourself. Just one person can keep the water Very strong. Okay. Alright, so let's go to see the intake water. Just keep it here. Just 1 minute. I will show you in 1 minute at the intake water. And first I have to jump it into the water. 1, 2, and over there. 3. Happy with it. Okay, so you can see the intake water. How strong is it by use this pipe for the oh my god. It sucks me into the pipe. Very strong. As you can see here, it will be suck me immediately like this. Oh my god, it's so strong. Let's see again. See again my hat, my head. Go. Oh, very strong. I can't use my hand because it almost sucks me into the pipe. So I just show you something that is could be go through to another side, like this coin, this kind of plastic. I will throw it to my right field over there. So let's see it. It's gone. So the river is clean because this one sucked everything into the right field over there. So okay, I think this is all for my tutorial today. I just want to show you that we can use the old PVC pipe to suck the water from one side to the other side, and depending on the water level, if this river water level is higher, we can just do this. But it is, if here is lower than the other side, you can't do this. You have to use drum pump, or you have to use the motor or pump machine. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and see you with the next video. Bye. And local farm over there. So it is lucky to have this system and very clear water from the river today. Good. Very good system, this one. And easy.